We begin our prayers in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. God be in my head and in my understanding. God be in my eyes and in my knowing. God be in my mouth and in my speaking. God be in my heart and in my thinking. God be in my end and at my departing. We end our prayers in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Can we please stand to sing and sign our national anthem?
Put your hands together for the funniest and talented
and strongest, Mr. Iron Ryan Man,
to present the
Principal Awards.
Where's Mr. Ryan? He's not at his desk. Mr. Ryan is sleeping. Wake up, Mr. Ryan. It's for assembly.
Assembly? Why didn't you tell me? Let's go. All right, ready? Ooh. Oh, sorry guys. I was at a very important meeting. Big time meeting, really important. So I was just a little late. So, tolo falava, malona lei, malo ni, stravo. Kumasta, namaste, assalamu alaikum, shalom alaikum, bula navaka, tina koutou katoa, and good afternoon, everyone. Now, learn to love, love to learn. Guys, I'm going to read out some Principals Awards. Thank you for coming to Assembly. It's a little bit different this time, but I hope you enjoyed. Our first Principals Award goes to Anahira Kipa Morunga Araha Tuatahi for packing away her book bag and helping her prayer focus. To Raven Filiavao and Araha Tuaroa, always being willing to keep a classroom tidy. To Grace and Ioane Araha Tuatoru for listening carefully to the teacher and making new friends in class. To Pia Grace Riddick, Tika Tuatahi, having a great attitude, positive attitude in all learning times. To Erlene, my song, Tika Tuaroa, always making good choices and being a kind and supportive member in the hub. To Elizabeth Netalis, tika tuarua, being an excellent mathematician and taking the time to explain her ideas with her partner. To Kingston Luatua, for working diligently in all areas. Freddie Hopkins, being an amazing host for our hub assembly. To Amalia McKenna, whakanui tōrua, always showing the gospel value of respect within the hub and her excellent attitude in all learning areas. To Joseph Moringa, whakanui tōrua, persevering and not giving up during learning time. Caitlin Lenny, Arahanui Tuatahi, contributing fantastic ideas in her maths problem solving group. Tupo Whaui, Arahanui Tuatahi, showing determination towards his learning. To Raymond Parker, Arahanui Tuarua, using his initiative to ask questions and settling well into class and hub routines. To Aidan Yalda, Arahanui Tuarua, for working collaboratively on the stream inquiry, designing a robot to stop the coronavirus. I hope that one works out. Tuila Whaafoi in Tumanako, being a fabulous tuakana taina to others in her group. And Teresa Stowers, Tumanako, for being a fabulous tuakana taina to others in her group. Hey guys, well done for winning your Principal's Award. Can everyone give them a big round of applause, eh? Alright guys, it's time for the Excellence Trophy. So this week, this person was nominated for always showing how to be like Jesus to everyone all the time. That's a really cool nomination. So the award goes to Charbel Kamas. Well done, Charbel. Hey guys, just a little couple of short messages. Look, you're doing so well with this bit of a change of environment. Thank you to all those who have stayed home and got a cold. So just a big shout out. If you've got the cold and you're not feeling well, just stay home for now and look after yourselves. Some of our learning's slightly changed in the classroom. You'll see that we're not together in big groups. We're just doing that to spread you guys out so we don't get the flu and the cold to each of us. It is getting flu season as well. So in your home learning, just check in with your parents. Just make sure that they understand that you've got a Google account, your iExcel account. You've got that written down at home so you can find it really easy. Just in case you have to stay at home for a little while, you know how to get on. Your teachers are preparing online learning, so they've got it all sorted already, and they're just going to make sure that you understand over the next few days. Apart from that, let's just look after each other, make sure that we're all doing well, and let's celebrate all the cool learning that we are and will continue to do. Alright guys, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. I've got to go back to that really cool meeting, that really hard meeting. Just get a little bit.
Get ready for the house point! You get it? You get it?
RenderForest.com.
Congratulations, Pompelia. Hey, Adam, what book are you reading? Dragon Masters. What page are you on? None of your business. Fine. Hi, Mrs. Watson, a.k.a. Mary Poppins, to present the Duffy Awards.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all getting a chance to enjoy some good reading. I know that the Duffy books are here at school and some children have already received theirs, so I hope you will enjoy reading your Duffy books. Well done to the following people who received Duffy certificates this week. The first person is Nate Mara for his positivity and good attitude towards his learning. Well done, Nate. Santana Ihaka for working hard in her writing and supporting others with their learning. Andrew Harberley for showing a love of reading and an eagerness to learn. Sancia Sebastian for focusing on her reading and making sounds clearly. Jiashi Soriano from Aroha to Arua for making a great start to school and showing a positive attitude towards reading. Rachel Brzezowski for a great effort at narrative writing. Sao Laird Ilalio for writing an engaging narrative text that left the reader wanting more. Amelia Susitupo for brilliant reading and excellent phonics. Devonte Hunt for doing a great job at retelling Little Red Riding Hood. Iwani Kerikeri Tabua from Tikatuatahi for showing a big improvement in writing. Nala Stowers for working hard to publish her stories. Nyla Manukau MacDonald for writing stories with lots of personal voice. Susitina Amato for applying reading strategies to decode and understand the text she is reading. Adelina Somo for using her prior knowledge to comprehend the text she is reading. Well done, Eniliko Fafoi, for writing an exciting story about his Pobble picture. And well done also Georgina Bustillo from Arohanui to Arua for focusing during writing to produce a creative narrative story. Well done to all of those people. Please remember to come to the library before morning tea on Monday to collect your Duffy book. And just a reminder to everyone, enjoy your reading. You can find magic wherever you look. Sit back and relax. All you need is a book.
We can have praise in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. At the end of the day, we come to the Lord to say thank you for the good that we have done today. Thank you. For anything that we have done that has hurt others, we are sorry. Bless us as we go home, and may we bring your love and peace to our families. Amen. We in the Spirit, and the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.